Joaquin Romaguera. Joaquin Romaguera, born September 5, 1932, Key West, Florida, is an American tenor and actor. A longtime performer with the New York City Opera from the 1960s through the 1980s, he notably created the role of Professor Risselberg in the world premiere of Gian Carlo Menotti's The Most Important Man in 1971. On Broadway, he originated the role of Adolfo Pirelli in the original Broadway production of Stephen Sondheim's Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street, 1979. He was nominated for the Drama Desk Award for Outstanding Featured Actor in a Musical for his portrayal of Teddy in the 1987 off-Broadway revival of Cole Porter's Gay Divorce. Other career milestones included portraying Nicolas Orsini in the world premiere of Alberto Ginastera's Bomarzo with the Opera Society of Washington 1967, a role which he also recorded on disc, and appearing as Captain Pirzel in the United States premiere of Bernd, Alois Zimmermann's Die Soldaten, with conductor Sarah Caldwell, and the Opera Company of Boston in 1982. Life and career. Born in Key West, Florida, Romaguera is best known for his portrayals of Adolfo Pirelli in the original Broadway production of Stephen Sondheim's Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street 1979, and Teddy in the off-Broadway 1987 revival of Cole Porter's Gay Divorce at the Martin R. Kaufman Theater. For the latter role, he was nominated for the Drama Desk Award for Outstanding Featured Actor in a Musical in 1987. In late 1987 and early 1988, he portrayed the leading role of Robinette in the off-Broadway musical Mademoiselle Colombe at the Theater Off Park. In 1994, he portrayed Mr. Lopez, Jerry Box Furlow. For the first encores, the New York City Center. In 2000, he portrayed Magaldi in Andrew Lloyd Webber's Evita with Broadway Sacramento. In addition to working in musical theater, Romaguera appeared regularly in operas with the New York City Opera Nico from the late 1960s into the 1980s. He notably created roles in several world premieres with the Nico, including The Dead Man in Hugo Weisgall's Nine Rivers from Jordan 1968 and Professor Risselberg in Gian Carlo Menotti's The Most Important Man 1971. In 1972, he recorded the role of Parpignol in Giacomo Puccini's La Bohème with the Nico in a cast that included José Carreras as Rodolfo, Elizabeth Karen as Mimi, and Nancy Shade as Musetta. Other roles Romaguera sang with the Nico included Monostatos in Mozart's The Magic Flute 1969, Goro in Puccini's Madama Butterfly 1969, the village drunk in Dmitri Shostakovich's Lady Macbeth of the Mtsensk District 1970, the Chief Justice in Giuseppe Verdi's Unballo in Mastura 1971-1974, Nathaniel in Jacques Offenbach's The Tales of Hoffmann 1972, Little Bat in Carlyle Floyd's Suzanne. Romaguera also sang operas with other organizations. In 1967, he portrayed Nicolas Orsini in the world premiere of Alberto Ginastera's Bomarzo with the Opera Society of Washington, a role he recorded on disc and repeated a year later at the Nico. In 1969, he portrayed Cassio in Giuseppe Verdi's Otello with the Boston Symphony Orchestra under the baton of Erich Leinsdorf at the Tanglewood Music Festival. That same year, he sang the title role in the world premiere of Ashley Vernon's The Triumph of Punch at the Brooklyn Academy of Music. In 1982, he portrayed Captain Pirzel in the United States premiere of Bernd, Alois Zimmermann's Die Soldaten with conductor Sarah Caldwell and the Opera Company of Boston. That same year, he sang Emperor Altum with the San Diego Opera. In 1991, he sang Goro in Madama Butterfly for the Baltimore Opera Company. Romaguera's life partner, The Broadway hair designer Robert W. Cibula died in 2000. In 2004, he directed a production of Fiddler on the Roof for Island Opera Theater in the Florida Keys. He lives in retirement in Mount Dora, Florida. References